Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, many of you asked me if you can guys replace a side mirror on a car without removing door panel. Good news, yes. And this one will work on mostly any cars guys. Some will not work, but probably about 85-90% of the cars. And we will explain guys how you can do that without removing the whole frame and removing your door panel. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing guys. Let me explain to you now, okay, what we have here. Now we'll be working on a Mazda mirror, okay, on a Mazda, but I'm going to explain to you that each vehicle that we have guys, okay, we can do that. And stay with us to see until the end how to do that. Now this is a Dodge guys, and if you look underneath that mirror, okay, right here, let me turn the light on. Right here guys, okay, you have one cap. And this cap, if you remove it, you can disassemble your mirror. If you come to a Lincoln, which is the same as a Ford Edge, okay, the same thing guys. Check out, you have that cap here, you remove that cap, you can remove your mirror. Also guys, even if you come, okay, to a Porsche Cayenne SUV, it's a Porsche guys, and still you can do, okay, the same thing. Okay, you can remove the cap here and you can access those bolts. So make sure you stay till the end. Chevy Malibu, it's doable. Chevy Cruze as well guys. And we'll show you, okay, what needs to be done. Let's see on the Hyundai. I haven't checked the Hyundais. On the Hyundai, it's not doable guys. Okay, Hyundai you cannot do. Chevy, Porsche, Buick, Malibu, Ford Edge, Lincoln, Mazda, all that guys is done. And we'll explain to you, okay, what needs to be done now. Okay, and you remember how I said Hyundais don't? Okay, some do guys. And this one, okay, it has a cover right there. Okay, this is the cover that you can remove, and you can do it that way. First step will be to remove your mirror cover. Okay, this is the cover, okay, on this mirror right here guys. Most of the times, okay, you have a few clips like this one. Okay, it has like you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. You will need to remove the cover so you can disconnect your wiring harness. And how you usually do that, okay, you come this way on the mirror. Okay, you come this way and you can access the clips through here or on the bottom side. That way, okay, it can be adjusted that way as well. Now, practically you can disengage the mirror. Okay, on the bottom we just have 3 screws that we need to remove here. Okay, and once we remove those guys, we will need to do that, and I'll need to go ahead and get the screwdriver and show you how to disconnect the wires. Some cars have 3 screws, some have 1 bolt or 1 nut, it really depends guys, but the design is practically the same. So we're removing the last one now, and I'll be able to pull the mirror up. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now let me explain to you what needs to be done. Okay, you need to grab here with the screwdriver, and we need to pry the wires out. Okay, it just needs a little bit more. Perfect, came out. Now you can see here guys, we need to open, you need to remember your position of the wiring harness. You need to open the clips usually. You might have different design clip. Okay, open this one and pull. Okay, pull the wires out. Now right here on the bottom we have 1 more of those. Okay, perfect, and we need to go ahead and disconnect these wires as well. And make sure to stay until the end to see if it's going to work that way. Okay, we're going to test the mirror, show you how to put it together, and see if that fixes our problem. So, okay, this one is out. We'll go ahead and put it on the other car now and see if it's going to work out. So, now we're ready guys to go ahead and install it. We need to feed all our wires, okay, through that hole here. That's why we took it apart, so we can pull them in and out. So you need to align everything and just start pushing them. Okay, 2 up, 2 like I almost had 2 of them, now I just have 1. Oh, okay, more. One of them still there somewhere. A brown one is missing. Okay, the brown one got stuck a little bit. Okay, it came out. We're going to go ahead, get the screws tied on the bottom, and we'll continue. So we're going to go ahead and install the wires, guys. Okay, let me turn the light on. Maybe you can see a little bit better. Just the same way we removed them, remember? We took a picture on our camera so we can see later where exactly they are. Okay, first set is ready to go, second one. Ours are super simple. The colored ones are on the outside, black ones are on the inside. So that wasn't complicated at all. Close this one. Now we're going to go through here. Okay, we're going to connect this connector here, the one on the bottom now. Okay, what we're going to do now, okay, we're going to go inside. Before we place the cap, we're going to test everything if it works to make sure that we don't have to turn any wires, because those caps are usually hard to remove. As I said, you need to go from this side most of the times, and you have 1, 2, 3 on top in our case, and 3 on the bottom. So, let's see guys if it works. That's the moment of the truth now. Hopefully it does. Okay, left, right, let's go right, up, down. Yep, everything works. So from that point on, all we will have to do, guys, okay, we'll need to go ahead and place our cap back on. Okay, everything needs to align, so I need to catch it with 2 hands so I can do it good. I don't want to. Okay, break anything here, so let me make sure if it's not going in somewhere. Okay, you have to be careful guys, not like I'm here. Those clips are extremely tight, by the way. Okay, we just have one more clip on this side. Okay. And we now, guys, are ready to go. So, practically, you can just remove the outside of your mirror without removing anything else, door panels and anything like that. So, thank you for watching and see you guys next time.